Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm gonna show you how I sew a button-up shirt. I love wearing button-up shirt with short sleeve, long sleeve, fitted shirt or oversize. I'm quite literally obsessed with them, and I think they are just such a staple of you guys too. So today I'm going to making my own button-up shirt and show you all step by step. The button-up shirt that I make will be very casual with collar, long sleeve, front pockets, and curl line at the bottom. Okay, let's get started. I picked up a kind of cotton fabric in white. I love the texture of this fabric. It's thick enough and 100% cotton. And here are the buttons. Because I don't want to make this video too long, so I already made them before. If you don't know how to drape, you can trace from your own shirt. I'm gonna start with the bodice of shirt. For front side, at the bottom of line, I'm going to fold the fabric to the wrong side, press to make them flat, and stitching along. Doing that on the other front side. Now, I cut a panel with 12 cm width and 15 cm length to make in front pocket. I'm going to fold the fabric at the top and stitch in first. Then pin it into the left front panel and stitching around. At the back side, I'm gonna separate two panels. On the top of lower part, I'm going to fold fabric at the center point and stitching them in place. Then connect two panels together by sewing machine and overlooking the raw fabric by my serger. Now, I'm gonna connect front side and back side together at the shoulder and both sides by my serger. And hem the bottom. Because the curl line will be harder than straight line, then I'm gonna sew in 2 times to make it easier. Remember to press to make them flat and beautiful. Moving on to making the collar. From the length of front neckline and back neckline, I drape a half of main label and a half of collar. Now, I'm gonna fold the shirt in half, matching up the shoulder seam. Grab the main label button, measure it on the neckline to make sure they are matching with each other. Then, I'm going to cut two main label panel and two collar panel, and I'm gonna press a thin interfacing on one main label panel and one collar panel to make them thicker. Now, starting with the collar, I'm gonna pin two collar panel and sew them together like this. Then, cut the excess fabric, trim at the corner and turn the right side out. Press to make everything flat and nice, and stitching on top. It just look like this. Next, I'm gonna mark at the center of the collar and also on the main label. Now, I'm going to place the collar on the main label panel with interfacing and stitching. Then, I'm going to align another main label panel on and start to stitching from the routing corner. Trim the excess fabric, especially at the corner. Turn the right side out and grab them. And now, it's time to pin the whole collar on the neckline of shirt and sewing them together. I'm gonna starting at the center of the main label, which is matching with the neckline of shirt, and sew around the main label. Moving on to the sleeve, we got the sleeve and the cuff. At the back of each sleeve, we got a sleeve placket and two pleats. Now, I'm gonna trace them on the fabric. Cut off the sleeve placket area. I already made a bias tab here. Now I'm starting to make the sleeve placket. And folding the fabric to making the pleat. Here are the sleeve and the cuff. I already cut a rectangle with 10 cm width and the length fit with the end of the sleeve. I also pressed a thin interfacing on to make it thicker. Now pin it onto the end of the sleeve and sew in around the cuff. Lastly, pin the sleeve to the armhole and sew in by my serger. Then bring the shirt to the sewing accessory shop to making buttonhole to finish. And here's the final result. I hope you like my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like video and turn on notification to see my new video every 3 days. Bye!